Hello everyone, this is GS, and today we're going to cover a Ruby on Rails security issue that affects versions 2.0 through the current 4.0 and is available via the default cookie store storage mechanism that is used to store user sessions. User sessions are useful for when you want a user to be able to visit your site, log in and log out, and to be able to track that state. Ruby on Rails is used to create web applications or websites just like Kickstarter.com. And today we're going to use Kickstarter as an example, but I found a number of web applications that are affected by this same issue, including Urban Spoon, 500 Pixels, Fiverr.com. If you want to recreate this, I urge you to install a tool for Chrome that makes this really easy. It's called Edit This Cookie. It's available here, and what it does is it installs this little logo over here. It looks like a cookie. And it will show you the current cookies for the website that you're visiting. And you can also set the values, so you can see the values and you can set the values, which makes my demonstration much easier. So let's go over to Kickstarter. Here I am just as a normal user. I'll refresh and you see that I'm not logged in, but I'll log in using a throwaway account that I created. Now that I've authenticated, you'll see that I'm logged in. I have a profile, I can check out projects and so forth. Now, since I'm logged in, there's a cookie I want you to check out. It's called KSR Session. It's available right here. This is a pretty long cookie, and we're going to save the value while we're logged in. Let's go ahead and log out, and we're going to reuse the same value, which shouldn't work anymore, but it does. Now that we're logged out, let's set the cookie value and log back in. Save the cookie value, and we'll use it going forward. Now you can see that I'm logged in. Again, here's my profile, and I can run around and check out all sorts of Kickstarter projects. This session termination issue is compounded in cases where sites don't bother with SSL. Kickstarter will serve the login page over SSL, but the rest of your interactions with the site are in the clear. So if you're at Starbucks or on another sort of unprotected network, your cookie could be sniffed off the wire and someone else could hijack your account using it. The way this works is that Ruby on Rails takes the entire session object, signs it, and sends it to your browser to use in a cookie. Instead of being linked to a backend session store, the entire session object is given to the browser, giving the browser a whole lot of control. This authenticated cookie does not expire. What the server does to log you out is it instructs your browser to overwrite the authenticated cookie with one that is mostly empty. However, the old one is still good. So if you're ever in a shared computing environment, maybe you're at a library and forget to log out, someone can come along, find your cookie, save it, and use it as you. There's no way to log them out using another device. Now, the Web Application Security Consortium has a technical classification for this issue. Under their Threat Classification version 2, number 47, they have insufficient session expiration, which says the logout function should disallow the reuse of the session token, which is not the case in here because you're able to reuse the old cookie value instead of being forced to log in again. Now, on my blog at maverickblogging.com, I've written about this site and a number of other ones that I posted in a list that have this same issue. There you will find additional technical documentation, including vulnerability numbers. On the blog as well, you'll find other security posts. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions about how to migrate your session storage, go ahead and shoot me an email.